Next word, Ray.
A.
Keep tapping them out. Jonathan, Ray.
Ray.
Next word, say. Remember, we want to get quick.
Say.
Say.
A. Say.
Pay.
Pay.
There's two ways.
Pay.
Day.
Day.
Lay. Lay. Thank you for checking. Okay. Because we know sometimes we need to watch the sounds, right?
I am so elated that Eli Hester was chosen as Clear Creek's Teacher of the Year this year. She represents and exemplifies everything that our vision stands for, which is fostering a community of lifelong learners. She is committed to not only supporting students in the classroom, but also building relationships that ensure they are supported all throughout their entire careers at Clear Creek and beyond. She represents everything that we stand for and everything that we hope to be as educators. Her commitment to classroom environment shows that she believes that every kid can succeed at a high level, and she holds them to that standard every day. The way that she collaborates with her peers and her colleagues shows that she understands that collaboration is a very important part of what we do at Clear Creek. And I also believe that she just wholeheartedly knows and embraces how to uplift the whole child. Through everything that she does, not only with her words, but with her actions, she really wants all of our kids to succeed, and that shows every day.
Miss Hester is a great teacher because she helps us, and if we're stuck on a word, and she'll help us.
Because she helps other kids.
And while she helps them learn. Well, she helps me, my friends, to do math. She'd help us do math work and reading work. Whenever we need help, we can just come down here and she would always help us, and she's really nice. And she just helps us. And because she helps me do my work, and she scribes for me. Because she helps us when we get stuck on math. And Lexia, that's why she's the best teacher.
Academically, Eli always strives to make learning fun and engaging for her students. And they love being in her class because of that. They know that they are going to learn, be loved, and grow.